Hi, my name is FIRDAUS. My metric number is 01DDT23F1080. First, this is a flowchart that me and my friend have created. A flowchart first must start with start. Then we will set the count to 1, the GST to 0.06, and a loop point, so we can loop the entire flowchart back to here. Now we will need to enter a label, which we have S, P, and Z. First, I want to enter the labels as S. So the selection will check if the label is S. If it is S, it will go to yes. If it is no, then it will go to label P. But because it is yes, then it will move on to the left. Now the test one is 0.05. Then we will need to enter original price with test. So it is 20 ringgit. Then the flowchart will process original price, which is original price with tax minus, in a bracket, original price with tax times 0.05. Now it will process GST price, which is original price times GST. Now original price with GST is equal to original price plus GST price. Difference between original price with tax and original price with GST is original price with GST minus original price with tax. Now the system will output tax, which is 0.05. Now the system will output original price with tax, which is 20 ringgit. Now the system will output original price, which is 19. Now the system will output GST price, which is 1.14. Now the system will output original price with GST, which is 20.14. Now the system will put the difference between original price with tax and the original price with GST, which is plus 1.14, which is 0.14. Now the variable we see if the count is greater than or equal to 4, which is right now is no, which is 1. So it will go to no. Then the new count will be set as count plus 1, because we have 1 here, we have to plus 1. So the count will be 2. Now the system have looked back to the top. So I will hand this to my friend to continue with the label P.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zarfan and my matrix number is 01DDT23F1130. Now I will continue the first loop after the first explanation. First is enter label, which is gonna be P. At the first selection, the label here shows S, which isn't same with the one that I entered, which gonna go to no. And then at this label here, it shows P, which is the same with the one that I just entered. And I click next, it goes to yes. So first text input is text 1, which is equals to 0.1. The next step, which is the first input, original price with text. Then I will enter the input, which is gonna be 30. And then the first process gonna be original price equals to original price with tax minus in bracket original price with tax times 0.1. Then the next step, which is gonna be GST price equals to original price, which is this one, times GST. The next step, original price with GST equals to original price, which is this one, plus GST price, this one. The next step is difference between original price with tax and original price with GST equals to original price with GST, which this one, minus original price with tax, which is the first one, the 30 ringgit that I just entered. Now, the first output is text 1. Uh, then the next output, which is original price with text. The next one, original price. Then GST price. Then original price with GST. And the last one, difference between original price with tax and original price with GST. All the output you can see is gonna be at the left here, which is the same one that I just entered. Tax is 0.1. Original price with tax, this one, which is gonna be 30. Original price with GST gonna be 28.62. Original price gonna be 27. The GST price, this one gonna be 1.62. The GST gonna be 0.06, which is at the first level. And then the last one, difference between original price with tax and original price with GST gonna be negative 1.38. And then the next one, since it's only been 2 counts, so it's not greater than 4. So it will go to no. Then it will look back to the top. Then I will pass this microphone to my next friends.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Daniel Adin bin Muhammad Faiz, and my matric numbers is 01 DJT F1086. And this one I will present you the level at Z. So the next one, we need to enter the level, which is gonna be Z. Then the variable we check if the level we enter is Z will be yes, but this one is no. So it will be going to the right. Then this one also no, because it's P. Then it will be right. Then finally, the label Z. So it will be yes. The next one, text will be set 0 by 0. Then original price with text. We need to enter the original price with text, which is 40 ringgit. The next one, the system will count original price with tax, times 0. Then the next one, GST price, original price times GST. The next process is original price with GST, original price plus GST price. Next one, difference between original price with tax and original price with GST, original price with GST minus original price with tax. Then the system will display the output first. The first output will be tax, which is 0. The next one is original output for original price with tax, which is 40 ringgit. Then the next output is original price, which is 40 ringgit. And the next output will be GST price, which is 2.4000. Then the next output is original price with GST, which is 0.06000. Then the final one will be output for difference between original price with tax and original price with GST, which is this one, 2.4000. Then finally, the variable will count. If the count greater or equal than 4 will be yes, then it will be end. If no, it will start again. So then count plus 1. So if this happen, the system will check if a variable label is the right one. So we go to the next one, loop, and then it will be checked. So we're gonna check the label. So if the variable is set by s, okay, let's see if we enter the wrong label. So the system will check if the label is s. If no, it will go to the next one. Then the system will check if it was p, then it will go to the no. Then we go to the last one. If the label is z, it will be yes. Since we entered the wrong label, then it will go to no. Then the system output will say that label is invalid. Lastly, we're gonna check the count. If it was greater or equal than 4, then the system say it was equal and greater than 4. Then it will be yes and end the program.